Vaitzak Moshe el Elokim al Dvar HaTzfardeim. Moshe cried out to HaKadosh Baruch Hu regarding the Tzfardeim, the frogs that he brought on the entire land of Egypt. So we understand it. Moshe Rabbeinu goes out and he says to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, there are frogs all over, please remove them from the country. But in Sefer Ta'am V'das, he brings from the Zohar HaKodesh, it says in the Zohar HaKodesh, that when the frogs came to Egypt, they made so much noise. So much so that the Egyptians died in their homes because of that noise. With that, he explains when the Pasuk says that Moshe Rabbeinu cried, Al Dvar HaTzfardeim, Dvar can also be literally meant as Dvar, the words of the Tzfardeim, the words of the frogs, their voices, their sound. It was so horrible. Moshe Rabbeinu cried out to Kodesh Baruch Hu, not in concerning the frogs, but because of the voice of the frogs. That is what he was talking to Kodesh Baruch Hu about, Kodesh Baruch Hu. Please remove these noisy, loud frogs, al Dvar HaTzfardeim, and the words and the sound that are coming from the Tzfardeim, from the frogs.